Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play the mobile version of Delta Force game on your PC without using any emulators. So let's get started right away. Now if you haven't already installed the Google Play Games beta application, open up your web browser and type in play.google.com/googleplaygames in the address bar and press enter. You can also directly search for Google Play Games beta using your search engine. Once you are inside this page, you can click on download beta and this will download the installer. You can then simply open it up, choose your install location, and then click on the install button. Once the installation is completed, open up the Google Play Games beta app and log in to your Google account. After logging in, you can click on the search button and now just type in Delta Force to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and now click on the install button and you will need to choose your desired installation directory. Tap on the install button and this will begin your installation. Once it is completed, you can search for the game using your Spotlight, and you may also launch it from your desktop shortcut. And now you can start enjoying the Delta Force mobile game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.